Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the EasyUp 150-gallon outdoor waterproof deck box. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so I got everything out of the box. It was mostly pretty well packed, some loose parts. A little bit concerned because I do find a little piece of plastic that may just be completely irrelevant, but it came from one of these pieces, I think. So I'm hoping it's not going to be a factor in any way, shape, or form, but a little bit concerning. But other than that, everything seems to be labeled well. I don't know if you can see the lettering, the arrows. It looks like it's pretty easy to figure out, which is always good because I'm not one of these guys that likes to follow too many directions. You know, if there's 108 ways to put this thing together, it's annoying. So we're going to take it outside and start assembling. So I'm halfway through assembly here, and I got to tell you, it's been super easy. It's a lot of just clicking in place. It's well labeled. The directions are simple. The screws are simple. The one thing you will need is a screwdriver or a drill to handle small screws, but so far it's been really cool and easy. So the next piece is just going to be thrown on the top where it's going to get more complicated, but just saying how much I'm impressed by this already. All right, so job complete. There are a couple spare parts. There's an extra like little bracket and then a couple extra screws, which I'm just going to keep in this thing just in case anything goes bad. It is lockable in the front. I'm not sure if you can really see that or not, but it is. And even for a non-professional like myself, relatively easy to put together. I think it's always easier with two people. Many hands make light work, they say. So a second person might make it a little bit easier, but I really had no struggle whatsoever putting this together as on my own. So I can't wait to put this out in the backyard here. The beauty is it's huge, 150 gallons, waterproof, and the base, obviously there's nothing that's going to be growing up through this, which is great. So I'm real excited to store some stuff here for the backyard. It makes it a lot easier than running to my garage every 6 seconds. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching and have a great day.